God damn it.
Stop it, Stuart!
Fuck! I said yes! God damn it! You think I'm crazy? Huh? Is that what he told you? Well, listen up! There is a storm coming! Like nothing you have ever seen! And not a one of you is prepared for it! You think I'm crazy? Hey, I'm talking to you, Russell! Huh? Lewis, you think I'm a thief? Sleep well in your beds. Because if this thing comes true, there ain't gonna be any more.
I'd woken up early and late and took it on time getting ready.
once my God is deceived, I don't even know where I'm going.
Especially important is the warning to avoid conversations with the demon. We may ask what is relevant, but anything beyond that is dangerous. He's a liar. The demon is a liar. He will like to confuse us, but he will also mix lies with the truth to attack us. The attack is psychological, Damien, and powerful, so don't listen. Remember that. Do not listen.
The father of Satan, a god who once walked the earth before man but was somehow banished to the dark side. Apparently the father buried his son inside the container. This was a section someone was trying to erase. Now later on here, Christ comes to warn us. He was of extraterrestrial ancestry, but a human-like race.
I just cannot believe any of this voodoo bullshit.
Happens all the time, man. They're falling out of the skies like flies. Government knows all about it, right, Mac?
You believe any of this voodoo bullshit, Blair?
Child, chariots of the gods, man.
My mommy always said there were no monsters, no real ones, but there are.
Yes, there are, aren't there?
The saddest here, rather minds of love. You're the monster, you're back to pretend that we're giving up. Every time we're good at you, the resistance